Hi, hello, wagwan, konnichiwa, bonjour, wagwan, up, wagwan 2 times because it's lockdown 2. Not ideal, but this is the first video I've said lockdown massive. Loads of videos to come, but on the Instagram poll, you lot voted, follow up. Fish and chips was the winner, so we're gonna make fish and chips. We're not just gonna make them proper, we're gonna make them better. It's the UK's national dish, apart from roast beef. I believe it is. Anyway, here we go. Like and subscribe. Bitches!
Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Hello my friends, and the story begins in sunny Eastbourne. Maybe one day we go together. There was this sick library, took a picture, had to, you don't know the thing. That was my hotel, lovely jubbly. Went in search of fish and chips. It's the seaside, you have to. You can't go to the seaside and not search for fish and chips. There's my old man, kids frolicking. It was beautiful. Old buildings, sick man. Managed to find his old sweet shop, all the old goodies. It was a mad thing. Weren't open because of lockdown. This was the start of lockdown. Boom, found one. Odyssey Fish and Chips. It's the first one we could find without a mile long queue. It was jokes because the gaffer was having a mad argument with his supplier. That was the end of it. He's like, you dare come here late? You come late? You come again, I kill. And then, yeah, I got the fish and chips, secured the bag, found a nice seafront location to eat. There they were. Mushy peas, tartar sauce, fish and chips. Lashings of salt and vinegar. Now, we've all had fish and chips like this in a bar or a pub. There's another pub. Just classic slop. Now, there's takeaway fish and chips. Don't get me wrong, it's peng. Now, if you're enjoying this, please subscribe. Like, you'll enjoy it, trust me. It's a sick channel. Yeah. Now, we're going to use some lovely cod loins. See it there? Cod loins, the nice, squidgy, big part. We need lemon, some parsley. We're going to marinate this bombo. Salt and pepper, garlic. Yeah, get a bowl, some Philip Berry or olive oil. Wash and pat dry your fish. Now just slice your lemon. You know, wash the thing, lemon and vinegar. You know the score, blood. Peel your garlic. We're just gonna marinate the fish. Let's give it an extra dimension. Ah, goddamn. What's happening? Ah, there we go, peeled. Yeah, so we're gonna marinate the fish because it's just gonna give it a little, just an extra something. Twist off your parsley. You want half for your marinade, half for your tartar sauce. This is how we're patterning it up. Salt and pepper, plenty of that, a good teaspoon. That's salt, black pepper, white pepper, pink pepper, everything pepper. Yes, man. Now the Filippo Berio. Drizzle that bad boy on there. Now, you want to mix our mixer. Make sure it's all incorporated. You leave this overnight, preferably, but you can just do it a couple hours, man. Same way you'll taste the flavour. But you want it all to soak in. You want it all to do its job. You want it all to do the bloody. Wrap that in cling film, put it in the fridge, boom. Wipe your side, you dirty pig, man. Now, board, we're gonna make the tartar sauce. You're gonna need some mayo, the parsley from before, two gherkin, slurpy the gherkin, put that in there, mayo in there, parsley in there, and you need literally just one gherkin, really. See that bad man thing? Open it, you're mad. I open jars like it's fun, blood. Upper body strength. Yeah, just put them all together. No salt, no nothing. The gherkins are salty and sharp. You don't even need lemon juice for this, man. But we're gonna blitz it. Normally you'd chop it, you'd have capers, but it's locked down and have it. So you want it just that consistency. And then just for the sake of presentation, you'll see wagwan. Your spuds. Draw for the spuddy buddy. Hey, there he is, my G. We're gonna peel these. Now, I'm using Maris Pipers because they have a lower sugar content. So it stops them burning and going brown if your oil's too hot, all that stuff. And they're all fluffy inside and crispy outside, but you can use any potato. Don't be too particular. Now, always, when you slice your potatoes, always cut a bit off the bottom, so then you've got, see it there, a solid base to chop your other chips with. I know it's a stupid fundamental flaw that a lot of people have. You can't even chop chips. What you want to do, I'll show you again. Slice that bottom bit, dash that way. I ain't making a chip out of that. See how you got a level base now? Solid to the board. You're just going to slice down, slice down, slice down. You're looking at 1 centimetre. And then you want to go lengthways because you want nice big chips in it. Nice big chips. Slicer, slicer. See it there? Slice through. Now there, chips, blood. Oh, absolutely wonderful. Fish and chips, you can't beat it. Won't take you long if you want to marinate your stuff. Now this is chips. These are not chips. They're crisps. Chips, crisps, chips. Get it? Now, nice deep pan. It takes a lot of oil if you don't own a fryer. And I don't own a fryer because it's one of them, man. The smell this made in my yard nearly got me shot in the face. Metaphorically, of course. Now, you just need it one knuckle deep like the rice. Now, see that marbling in there? That's how I know the oil's getting hot. It's nice and hot now. High heat. Just dip a chip in there. See the chip just sizzling away? That's how you know it's hot enough, baby. If you ain't got a temperature controlled fryer, that's the only trick you need. Now we're gonna cook these chips twice because you want it all to come out fresh and hot. So we're gonna cook these and not colour them. You want them just sizzling warm. Don't take your eyes off it. Control your temperature, turn your heat down if you need to. No messing with that. Now all you've got to do is just cook your chips till they're nice and soft. Soft in the head like me. See, they're too hard still. If you can't touch them, just whack them with your spoon. Get a bowl ready. See how that squashes down? I know my fingers are beastie, innit? Right, next we're going to make the mushy peas. And I know they're not dried marifats. I know how to make them, but it don't matter. Tin of mushy peas, salt and pepper, plenty of that. Dash of water. Boom, bam. We're going to put some mint sauce in there later, just to add a little sharp freshness. Now, we're going to make the batter. It's Corona season, so you don't know we got the Corona time. Hey! Plain flour, beer, and seasoning. You need one bowl to dip your fish to dry it. Yeah, now we're going to make the batter. Beer, seasoning, watch it fizz. Now just add your plain flour. Plain flour, bit by bit, until it's literally, you know, like crepes. You know, like pancakes. Not American pancakes. You know, like pancake day, crepes, pancake day pancakes, lemon and sugar ones. Yeah, so it's like that. Boom. Put your peas on. Oi, we're firing on all cylinders, man. You want fish in your flour, in your batter. No messing. Get rid of all your chunky bits. Leave some parsley in that if you want. Leave your seasoning on there. Now what this does, it creates a coating that will allow the batter to stick to the fish and stop it all just falling off when you fry it. It's very important that you use flour before you batter your fish. So important. Soaking up all that olive oil, all that garlic. It's just absolutely beautiful. You don't know I got gloves on. I mean, I like touching up this up. Hot oil again. Now, grab your fish out your batter, but let it drip till it's, you know, not quite as runny, and then just tease it in, baby. Tease it in, baby. Don't just drop it in, you make a right mess. Just tease it in there. Once it starts to float, see it there? Floating, drop it in. Now grab it. Stop sticking to me, blood. Allow it. See it there? Now it's going golden. Flip it. And you can flip it as many times as you want at this point. The smell this created almost got me. No! I won't do it again! Please! I lost bare weight. Now, back to the fish. You can flip it as many times as you want. See that little pocket of oil in there? That all the way through to the fish, man. See the peas them there? We're going to add the mint sauce to them bad boys in just a moment. Grab your fish out onto some absorbent paper. It just removes like 25% of the grease. And you know what? That thing there, now you cool on. Yeah, man. Now, refry your beans. Refry your chips. Now we add the mint sauce. 1 teaspoon. Trust me, this elevates the whole dish. Yeah, I'm a bad boy. What? You're mad. Take them out once they're crispy. Look at that. Oh, peas cooked, chips cooked. Yo, fish bubbly. Look at the bubbles. Hear that? That's fish. That's how the fish should be. Oh, look at it. So fresh. Look at the steam. So hot and fresh. Oh, you need to listen to this, man. That batter is absolute. Look. Oh, it's absolutely insane. But you know what? In a restaurant, I want to see it looking something like this, blood. Oh, yes, man. Fish, chips, mushy peas, tartar sauce. We got caramelized lemon on there. Little sugar in a dry pan. Oh, jeez. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I love you lot. British classic. Boom.
Neighbor Station.